so we are two friends, and
Hi everyone. So I wanted to make a quick video showing how fast and easy it is to make a Bitcoin payment. Bitcoin payments are not expensive. Bitcoin transactions are not expensive, and actually you can do it very, very fast if you are using the Lightning Network. There are a couple of wallets, or more than a couple of wallets, compatible with the Lightning Network. You have, for example, Phoenix and Breeze. I will leave the link in the description below. But with these kind of wallets compatible with the Lightning Network, you can make any transfer, any payments. It takes a few seconds, as you are going to see in this video. Less than 10 seconds, the payment is done, and the merchant or the other person receives the payment, and you are going to pay very low transaction fee. In this case, I have paid 1 cent of a dollar of US dollar in transaction fees. So as you can see here, I'm scanning the QR codes of the restaurant for some cheese and a beer, and it took like 10 seconds for the payment to arrive, and the transaction fee is extremely low, meaning that you can use indeed Bitcoin to do payments, and you can use it as a currency to pay for anything using the Lightning Network, and you can use wallets like Phoenix and Breeze. I will leave the link in the description below. I hope you have enjoyed and continue using Bitcoin.